divide 367 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 7 and it is 17. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 367 divided by 5 is 73.4. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.